Refined and elegant, the Storm by Cyclone Spas epitomises contemporary luxury and serves as the ideal complement to any backyard. With spacious seating for 6, hydrotherapy is delivered across 5 deep massage seats and a reclined lounge. With the Storm, you'll choose from 6 different back massage therapies, neck therapies, a leg therapy, and a foot therapy. The Storm is designed to deliver on power as well. With 2 4.2 horsepower massage pumps packed in, consistent hydrotherapy output is guaranteed across the entire spa. Backed by our 7-year key equipment warranty and a 100-year structural warranty, you'll be relaxing without a worry in the knowledge that your Storm is built to stand the test of time. And why not boost your spa experience with our select upgrade package? Contact Just Spas today to book a consultation and discover the game-changing Australian-made Cyclone Spas range.